What's going on, guys? I hope you are well. Cameron here from Cameron's Reviews, bringing you Thrive Themes. Now, this is an incredible piece of drag and dropped page builder, website builder, everything you possibly want in a WordPress site. It is fantastic. It works seamlessly with everything. If you purchase through the link down below that I've made for you guys, I'll give you 3 bonuses, and I'm going to go over those 3 bonuses in about a minute. I'll just run through these, the sales page here, and I'll show you the back end of my website, and then we'll go over the bonuses, and we'll be good to go. So yeah, Thrive Themes is just, it's incredible. It really is. I've been using it since I started my website. I was recommended it from a really good friend of mine. They have everything that you can possibly want in an online business, basically. And if it doesn't have it built in already, it will seamlessly connect with any API, any other service out there, and we'll go over that as well. So they have themes already built in, blog, any kind of theme that you're looking for. They have a basic few themes that you can use, and it will help build your website faster, basically. But also you can change anything on those website themes very easily, and I'll show you that. Thrive Leads, you build these little boxes that pop up automatically on your website, and they automatically connect to Aweber, GetResponse, all the email marketing platforms that you can possibly ask for. Thrive Architect is fantastic. It's the drag and drop version, drag and drop stuff of the building pages. Landing pages, they all have preloaded landing pages that you can just pull up, and you just go for it, and you can change whatever you want on the page. Clever widgets, you can easily do widgets based on all these different rules. It's just fantastic. Headline Optimizer will tell you the best headline to use for your article, basically. Highest performing ones, and it has a database full of them, so it knows exactly which ones to use and what words to go with and all that sort of stuff. Thrive Ultimatum, I haven't really looked much at this because, yeah, it's basically just countdown timers. When I go to creating a course at some point in a few years, then yes, I'll definitely be using countdown timers and all that kind of stuff. I recommend it because it all just works seamlessly with Thrive Themes and Thrive and your blog theme and everything that's working already. So that's nice and easy to have that already automatically there. Thrive Ovation, testimonials on autopilot, basically easy to add in there. Quiz Builder builds quizzes. You can build them pretty easily and they just go straight on your website. Thrive Comments, yep, upvoting, downvoting, all of the above, engagement, everything you could possibly ask for in comments that are just easily set up and just on the website. And Thrive Optimize, it'll A and B testing, so it tests 2 different, if you have 2 sales pages, for example, and you're trying 2 different headlines, you can try version A and version B, and it'll split the traffic between the 2. It's fantastic. Yeah, and you can do that with squeeze pages, sales pages, any kind of pages, of course. But let's pop up here, and we'll go to View All Products. Well, actually, there's no need to go to View All Products, is there? Because I just showed that to you. So basically, that is everything you get in it. This is everything that I just went through, and it's everything that is inside the members area, which you then go over and install onto your back end, which is just simple, maybe 3 clicks to install it. It's quite amazing. And then it does everything for you. You can go and change all the settings in the world. And I'm going to make a little tutorial or a few tutorial videos for you guys of things that I struggled with when I first started using it, to help you guys speed along the process. But yeah, costs for this bad boy isn't too bad. $19 a month paid annually. That's about the price that you would pay for any drag and drop seamless builder, page builder thing that you could possibly ask for. This has everything that you ever need in a WordPress site. So I don't mind paying that for ease, really. I mean, I can build a squeeze page in a matter of a few minutes, and then I can save the template and then just go in there every time I want to build a squeeze page and just change the colors, change the title, and I'm good. So once you've done it once, it takes 3 seconds to build, and I'll build one from scratch with you guys, and maybe in another video. But I will show you the drag and drop features of the website in the back end of my website. But yeah, so it's not a bad price. It's reasonable for a very easy to use, seamless drag and drop page builder. It's fantastic. They have 18,500 members, so you can't tell me that it's a bad piece of software. I love it and I really enjoy it. 100% satisfaction guarantee, 30-day money back guarantee if you don't like it. Easy. You can't beat it. Try it out for 30 days and refund it if you like. Like, it's just easy to go through. These are all the services that they integrate with. Amazing. I love it. Really is that simple. GoToWebinar is a good one. Aweber, ActiveCampaign, Constant Contact, Facebook. They even integrate with the Facebook developers page. Easy. GetResponse, HubSpot, iContact, MailChimp. Half of these I haven't even heard of before. I don't even know what they're used for. So it really is, they really have tried their best to put it into one. So I'll just go over the bonuses real quick that I'm offering with this. So these are the 3 bonuses that if you sign up with the link just down below in the description, then you guys can pick up these 3 and really boost and kickstart your website that you want to build and start building up the traffic and all that sort of stuff. So traffic now, 21 different traffic strategies. It's fantastic. A nice little easy to digest PDF and strategies that you can implement straight away. Instagram marketing made easy. Instagram is the place to be right now. It is fantastic for marketing and very easy to reach people. Top affiliate tactics, everything the top affiliates do to generate leads and traffic. So 3 really easy to digest PDFs that will be, you can pick them up as soon as you click the link down below, sign up to Thrive Themes, and then you simply send me a message, send me an email, send me an Instagram message, send me anything, YouTube private message, and I'll get these 3 PDFs out to you within a matter of a few hours. That is my guarantee to you guys. So that's the bonuses, and let's jump into my back end. So this is my website. If you click on the link below, it'll go straight here. And this is all done with Thrive Themes. So this is all Thrive widgets. This is the Thrive page builder that I have done. This is just the home page. So this is just what you land on. Yeah, so let me log into my website here. And then I'll show you how we do page building. And I'll show you how that front page is made. It's so simple. It really is incredible, and I really enjoy using it every day. And my internet is going slow, of course. That is the law. So, no title, front page, right? Because I didn't want the title to show up. So all you gotta do is hit Thrive, edit with Thrive Architect, right? And it opens up this new page here, and hopefully this goes fast, because sometimes with the internet at the moment, I don't know what's wrong with my internet, but it sometimes loads pretty slow. Here we go. So this is basically it. So with this, since I have it set up this way, it'll only let me edit this corner of the page, right? Because this here is all the widgets on the right hand side here. So all I have to do is go over here to this little plus sign and hit add element. And it'll let me move me out the way for a second. And it'll literally let me add anything I want. A button, an image, paragraph, heading, background section, so I can put colors in the background, click to tweet, content reveal, countdown evergreen, so it just keeps going, custom HTML. Like, it really does just go on forever. It's fantastic. Guarantee box, pricing table. Yeah, it really is that simple. And if I was to edit, let's throw this progress bar in at the top here. So all you gotta do is hold it over here. My computer's, see here it says below heading. So all I gotta do is drop that there, and it'll jump in there like that. And then you can change any of the settings you like. change the colors, apply, the background of the color, label color, fill percentage, so you can have it at 38%, right? What else? And I can change the words just by clicking on the words here. I'll just put loading, ... just for a bit of fun. Change the color to black. So as you can see, guys, this is just very simple to use. It very is drag and drop, and that's it. It's in there, just like that. Make all these. This is a post grid here, so it basically just shows the posts, my blog posts, as a post grid, and those are my 2 recent posts, basically. Yeah, so that is really, you know, I can go in, I'll just save this, save and exit. Actually, I'll just wait for this. I'll go in and show you what a squeeze page looks like. It is basically exactly the same thing though, so we'll go edit with Thrive Architect. I'll put me back over there in the corner for now. Just wait for it to load. So this is a squeeze page of my #1 product, $130 per day from a complete newbie from an underground website. It's fantastic. Highly recommend you check it out. The link will also be down the bottom. But anyway, putting that aside, it's more about Thrive Themes than about the email address. So about this newbie banking method. So this is just this is a lead generation box, and you can basically just click on this, and you see mine's connected to Aweber. If I just hit edit real quick, it'll show you exactly API connection's already done. You do that when you set it up, and you select which mailing list you want it to go to. You select the forms. You can add new forms, name, anything you want to, and post action, and it'll just go to that website afterwards. It's as simple as that. It really is that simple. And then you can change the colors, and you can change the titles, and you can do everything that you ever want to in a page builder. And all of this is just drag and drop. You can just do another heading. You can do another button to somewhere else if you don't want it to go through that. You can do a countdown. You can do another progress bar. You can really do anything that you want to. It's fantastic. So yeah, I highly recommend you guys check out Thrive Themes in your journey in your online business. It's fantastic. It makes everything very easy to use. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Otherwise, click the link down the bottom and you will grab these 3 bonuses when you sign up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll make a few tutorials on how to use things and like building squeeze pages from scratch and all that sort of stuff. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.